Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, let me present you the new chapter of The Queen Mother and the Queen, chapter 33. So here it is. Let's read the story. Back to Queen Jiangshu, since she ran away from the Queen Mother's palace. Right now, she went to the temple. She's going to enter, together with the monks. Freeze. Right now, Queen Jiangshu. She got greeted. Empress, please. The place is called Plum Garden Palace. Now she's been welcomed, since it was getting late, and she don't have a place to live. Ever since I traveled across time, this place it still makes me feel most at ease. That's why she went through. And the two of them having arguments, and right now, there's no difference between Maywan and the Empress when they leave, so the Empress can stay with peace of mind. If it's necessary, please feel free to contact us. Queen Jiangshu said to them, "Thank you, Abbot." She seems to be thankful. Well, she really needs to. And it was really getting late. She must be really tired and crying and making arguments about the Queen Mother. It's been a long time since I've been able to be alone like this. Now, it really makes sense to her. It's like she was really look comfortable, especially right now. She's been alone in the room. She was holding the pillow tightly. In Jiangshu, at this moment, she's really not missing the Empress. There's no breath of Xishan Ning. It's like an heaven. Oh, this girl. Now, it's like she was celebrating because she's not living with Xishan Ning. Oh, ho ho. Now, it really went well, but right now it seems that she will really fall asleep soundly. But suddenly, look at the situation. The Queen Mother seems to be looking for her. Is she going to fetch her? Well, Queen Jiangshu, she must be trouble again. Turns out, the Queen Mother really came. Now she is paying respect to the abbot. Said to him, "I am only concerned." Well, she was really pertaining about the Queen. She is really concerned about her. She opened the room. She's seeing the Queen. Queen Jiangshu is sleeping soundly. Well, maybe the Queen Mother is really missing her because she used to be sleeping together. The Queen Mother said, "You're really." Right now, she seems to be acting like a baby. Sip up. But Queen Jiangshu, she suddenly awakened. Now, the presence of the Queen Mother, she was really awakened. She knew that someone was touching her. Well, Queen Jiangshu, right now, she was really surprised when she looked up. She is seeing the Queen Shisaning. Now, she's looking for her. Probably she knows right now that she came here to fetch her. Why did you come here so quickly? Let's go to bed first. If there's anything we can talk about tomorrow. Amitabha, are you sleeping now? Well, it was good, but which sleep are you talking about? Well, the two of them seems to be teasing each other. That's why the Queen Mother right now, she really want to tease her again. But Queen Sijaning, she know right now that the Queen Mother is being tricky. Probably she was sleeping here also, and it makes sense to her. Right now, Queen Jiangshu, she was really blushing. Queen Mother is teasing her, taking off the clothes in front of her. Now, it really makes her blushing. The incident of forcibly kissing her was indeed not. That's easy to get over, one by one. Oh, right now, she's remembering. She really kissed the Queen Mother, that's why she went out. Because she was really too shy to come back to her. Older sister, I'm angry because you wronged me. Oh, little Queen Jiangshu. She really kissed the Queen Mother. Then, the A family was kissed by you in a vain. It's definitely not because I have any bad thoughts about you. Right now, the Queen Mother seems like to provoke her. Do you have any evidence? Oh, she's been tricking again. Why are you slandering the Aja for something that has no evidence? Well, the Queen Mother was right. Even though she was really tricky. Sister, have any evidence? You said I kissed you forcibly. Oh, right now, in Jiangsu, she's trying to defend herself. We don't have any evidence. Queen Jiangsu said to the Queen Mother. At this moment, she knows that she will really lose in this battle, but today's menu is you have to eat it. If you don't eat it, oh, it turns out the Queen Mother wants to punish her. Well, what do you think, guys? What is she going to do? About Queen Jiangsu, what is my sister thinking? Is she about to forgive me? Well, it seems not. Right now, the Queen Mother seems to be tricky. Aija is coming back. Well, it really makes the Queen Jiangsu. Right now, she seems to be puzzled. Of course, she knows that Queen Shishaning is only flaying at her. Right now, she grabbed her and pinned down. And she can really restrain or move herself. Because the Queen Mother is already pinning her down. Sister, wait. She tried to push her, but she cannot be. If you are biting, you can be a dog. You have to bite it back. Well, still, the Queen Mother is not listening to her and said to her, of course, Aja is such a person who will repay. Playing with Queen Jiangsu at this moment. And now Jiangsu, she was beaten by a dog. Well, it really is. Queen Mother won't stop, and it really goes all the way from her. But how could it be? Well, right now, Queen Mother is really biting her heart. And now, looking at her, the result is she cannot take revenge on the Queen Mother. She's letting her to do whatever thing she wants to her. Obviously, it was really a woman. Probably her feelings. Also, she can do that. Well, the Queen Mother is really tricky. She always wants to tease her, provoke her. Right now, Queen Jiangsu, she will let the Queen Mother do the things whatever she wishes. If nothing happens, why I am. You are so bad, Shisha Ning. Now, Queen Jiangsu, she was really fully awakened. Now, she was really crying hard. She know that she get teased by the Queen Mother. She really can't help herself but just to cry. And Shisha Ning, where is this? Right now, she knows that in Jiangsu, she was really running away again. Well, maybe she will go back home. Her chamber. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And do comments and turn on the notification bell to keep you posted on my daily updates. Hey guys, membership is already open. For those who want to support this channel, you can join by clicking the join membership button. Thank you, bye!